Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to sell items on Steam. Make sure you guys follow every step in the video. So first, go to your inventory. And then in your inventory, you need to choose the item that you want to sell. So I will be clicking this one. And then you will see the option for sell. So click on that. And then in here, you can basically just put the price. So right now this item sells around 8 cents. So we will put 8 cents in here. And then so the buyers is going to pay 8 cents and then you will receive 6 cents. And then after that, all you have to do is check this box and then okay, put it up for sale. So for me, I have to wait 15 days. So when you click OK, your item is going to be on Marketplace. So this is how to sell items on Steam. See you guys in the next tutorial.